Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by deciding what truly matters. Pick the 4 to 6 apps you use most. Once chosen, determine whether you want a minimalist look or an information-dense hub. This choice guides icon spacing and widget size. Make sure to back up your current layout or at least note folder names and widget settings so you can revert if needed. Now, long press empty space to open Home settings and prepare to adjust grid, icon size, and default launcher. Now you arrange icons and widgets with intent. Start by setting your grid. 4x5 gives balance, 5x6 fits more. Pick what suits your hands and screen. Drag core apps to prominent positions, bottom row for thumbs, top for glanceable widgets like calendar or weather. Group related apps into folders of 3 to 8 items and label them clearly so you spend less time searching. Once done, adjust icon size and padding to preserve breathing room and visual hierarchy. Finish by fine-tuning interactions and performance. Enable useful gestures and app shortcuts to reduce taps. This makes the home screen faster to use. Monitor battery and responsiveness for a day if widgets or animations drain resources, replace or remove the heaviest ones. If your layout resets unexpectedly, check that the chosen launcher has required permissions and restore your backup. If problems persist, clear launcher cache or reinstall. Then rebuild only the parts that failed to keep disruption minimal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.